Under the blazing sun, Pip perches weakly on a barren branch, her ruffled feathers betraying her exhaustion. The rooftop stretches out, empty flower pots and lifeless plants, painting a picture of desolation around her. Pip arrives at the rooftop's edge, peering down at the children's innocent games. A faint chirp escapes Pip's beak, lost in the joyful noise of the children. Pip hopes with desperation for a sign that someone hears its silent cry. Lily and Tom pause, their youthful game interrupted by a fragile plea from nature. Lily's heart stirs with tenderness as she observes. Look, that sparrow seems really tired. Lily's voice softens with empathy. Maybe she's asking for water. Echoing her sister's concern, Tom wonders aloud. Maybe she's asking for water. Lily and Tom approach the empty water bowl on the rooftop's edge. Pip's hopeful eyes follow their every move. The silent knowing exchange seals their understanding. Lily and Tom burst through the front door, a sense of urgency filling their every movement. The sounds of rushing water and clanging bowls echo, setting a frantic pace. They emerge, each carrying bowls brimming with fresh water, their expressions a mix of determination and hope. On the rooftop, the children thoughtfully arrange bowls of water in shady corners. Next to the water, Tom offers a small feast of rice and seeds. Lily's smile anticipates the lively dance of birds soon to visit. Pip cautiously approaches the water, his movements delicate and precise. He drinks gratefully, his feathers smoothing out with each sip. Refreshed, Pip chirps loudly, calling out to his friends with renewed energy. The rooftop, once bare, becomes a beacon as birds of every feather gather, drawn by the promise of water. The air vibrates with the symphony of chirps and the joyous flutter of wings as pigeons, robins and sparrows revel in their newfound oasis. The rooftop pulses with life, a vibrant sanctuary born from simple kindness. High above, Pip perches on the edge of a bowl, her gaze fixed on the children below. A gentle chirp escapes her, a soft thank you carried on the wind. The rooftop transforms into a sanctuary as the sun paints the sky with orange and gold. Birds flutter around the makeshift pool, their wings catching the fading light. Children stand nearby, their faces glowing with joy as they watch the birds in their playful dance. The air fills with the cheerful chirping of birds, celebrating the close of day. As the sun dips low, Lily and Tom watch the birds ascend, bidding farewell to their winged visitors. The rooftop stills, the gentle bowls of water, a quiet symbol of care. She remembers the birds, a feeling of fulfillment washing over her. Lily looks out the window at the night sky, a faint smile lighting up her face. She stands in quiet satisfaction, knowing she made a difference. Tom sits at his desk, his figure bent intently over a notebook in the dim light. The soft glow of the lamp highlights his focused expression as he sketches a picture of Pip and the birds. His pencil dances across the page, capturing Pip and the other birds. As dawn breaks, Lily and Tom move with a quiet grace, replenishing the water bowls. Their practiced hands offer a silent promise: the birds will return and help awaits. The cycle of kindness flows, ensuring the birds return. A symphony of rooftops stretches across the cityscape, each a haven for feathered friends. Amidst the towering structures, people from all walks of life unite in a common cause. Helping the birds, young and old, they share moments of compassion, turning the cold cityscape into a sanctuary of warmth and care. Pip sits on the water bowl, surrounded by her friends. A bird looks out at the city, a symbol of hope and kindness. The sun promises a better summer for all the birds.